Hello, I'm Paul Hodgson. I'm Director of the Centre for Hydrogen and Renewable Energy at Central Queensland University. We support government and industry's ambitions in education, training and research for the energy transition. So within the energy transition and renewable energy, we're looking at solutions around developing for electrification and for hydrogen and for the bioeconomy. And we're also looking at the training and workforce development so that we've got a workforce that can support the bold ambitions of the government and industry. I'm really looking to get the message across that there are huge opportunities in renewable energy over decades to come, and so really looking to inspire and excite people about getting involved.